This is like the most popular beach in India, I think. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइज, इट्स 5:20 इन द मॉर्निंग. मैं घर से निकल चुका हूँ और अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ शौनक को पिकअप करने के लिए. इन शॉर्ट, आई एम ऑफ फॉर गोवा. Basically, Goa is 350 kilometers from Satara. It's like around 6 hours journey if we go non-stop. The route I'm going to take is start from Satara, then Kolhapur, then Nippani, then ride from that hotel Goa West or something, then Amboli Ghat, and then Goa. But for now, Shaunak is here, so I have to get moving and pick up Rushi. So guys, we are about to enter Karnataka. We have almost covered 160 kilometers from Satara, and it's been just 2 hours. It's 7:30 right now, and you can see the beautiful sunrise over here. It looks very nice, and the road is very nice also, because it's completely a cement road. Concrete road, a 4-lane road, no potholes or anything, no bad patches were there. So the road is really good. So guys, we have reached the hotel Goa West, which is like around 170-180 kilometers from Satara, and it's right now 7:50, almost 8 o'clock. We have covered the entire road pretty fast and eliminated all the traffic from Karad or Kolhapur or Nippani, all the cities. So basically now it's the straight road to Amboli Ghat and then Goa. So breakfast was good. We had 2 masala dosas and 1 idli vada. He also had a poha and tea. Tea is the most important thing. So basically it was quite good. I would say 6 or 7 out of 10. तो गाइज, वी आर हियर एट अम्बोली घाट. एक्चुअली यहाँ पे रुकने का कोई सच रीज़न नहीं है अम्बोली घाट में. जस्ट देयर इज दिस वाटरफॉल. दिस इज द वाटरफॉल. राइट नाउ देयर इजंट मच वाटर. इनफैक्ट मतलब ये वाटरफॉल भी नहीं कह सकते इसे हम लोग. Now the plan is that we have to go to Sawantwadi. Reached Sawantwadi. So guys, we are at the wooden toys and all market, where you can see there are lots of things all made of wooden, and these are like quite okay priced. So there are a lot of things you can find over here, like there are massagers or cutleries and kitchen utensils, or maybe toys and all, or showpieces also. Lots of things are over here that you can buy. So guys, done with the wooden utensils and all shopping. He bought some, what is that?
It's a chopping board.
It's a chopping board, and I bought a frame of Ganpati and what is it?
Basket.
2 showpieces. No? So I got those for around 700 rupees, which is like not much expensive, but still.
It's a little bit expensive than expected.
Reached in Goa. We are at this Ticlo Hotel, TICLO, Ticlo Resort, which is like around 400 meters from the Kalangut beach. As you can see, if you can see behind over there, that's the Kalangut beach parking, and this is the Kalangut Baga road, just next to this hotel. Got ready. Now it's time to go for some lunch. Actually, it's 5:15 in the evening, and for right now we are going for the lunch. For lunch, we are thinking that there is a McDonald's in just the next building, so we are thinking of going over there. Okay, so basically this is our hotel, and that's the McDonald's. Got the order. So guys, done with the brunch or lunch, whatever it is. We had 3 Maharaja Mac, as I show you. For now we have to look for the the scooter or bike rental shop. Check out whatever their prices and the rates are. So there are a lot of bikes over here, but none of those are according to our taste. And the only bike I like, the scooter I liked was SR 160, and he is looking for a Royal Enfield. So actually this is the Kalangut Beach Road, entire road. So on that side, that's the Kalangut Beach. So guys, here we are at Kalangut Beach. Actually just me and Shaunak are here. Rushi had to go back because he had some exam.
Some kind of stupid exam actually.
Their college is just taking exam at any time in the day. It's like 10 minutes before they give them message, there is an exam after 10 minutes. It's stupidness, but whatever. So here we are at the Kalangut beach, as you can see behind me. This is the sea over here. And this is the Kalangut beach. This is basically the entry of the Kalangut beach. Very well developed. Of course, it has to be very well developed. This is like the most popular beach in India, I think.
Yes, of
Yes. Okay, so we came here just to visit the beach once and upload the stories on Instagram. So the sunset came really good. Uploaded some stories. Now we are heading back towards our hotel. We are back at hotel now. Just we have to get ready and get going for the cruise. Got the key. Now let's go. So guys, we have almost reached at our casino's entrance, from where you enter all the casinos. Basically, this is the road, the riverside road. We have to go to the Deltane Royal or Delin Royal, whatever it is, in that casino. And I don't think we can use the camera or vlogging setup over there. I don't think I'm going to vlog over there. I will add some shots if I capture any. So we are out of the cruise. This is the cruise right over here, if you can see. We are out of it. The inside was a bit too much crowded, so that's why I decided I will come out. This is now the ferry that we are going to take back to go from where the check-in and everything is. It was a really nice experience, and the rest of the story I will tell you when I reach either in the car or in the hotel. So guys, we are back at the hotel, and right now it's 1:40 in the midnight. And talking about the Deltane Royal or Destin Royal, that casino we went to, it was a really good experience. Basically, we had to buy the 15 ticket, which was for 1250 rupees, where you get the access to the restaurant and the sky bar. You don't have the access to the game floor and casinos and all, because all of those require 21 plus age. But everything is unlimited, and you can, once you have entered over there, you have no time limitations. You can stay as much time as you want, and it is 24/7 open. So if I have to say total experience in just one word, it was quite worth it. Okay, anyways, so guys, this is it for this video. This was our first day in Goa. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the whole Goa trip videos.